Hello, today I'll speak about Beyond Meat, its fundamental and technical analysis. But first let me tell you a few words about Beyond Meat. So it's a supplier of plant-based meat products such as hamburgers, sausages, ground beef and chicken. Unlike other vegetarian products, Beyond Meat aims to replicate the look, preparation and taste of the meat. The products are widely available in the US and Canada as well as 83 other countries. The international revenue accounted for 31% of its sales in 2021. So let's look at the chart of Beyond Meat. We can see that its performance is year to date is down more than 60%, and the last year is more than 80%. Yes, it's a really very tough correction is the stocks. And from this chart, of course, we can see that the loss itself is just accelerating in the last 5 quarters. Beyond Meat showed a loss in each quarter. It's not a surprise because have a data here the percent of shares outstanding shorted. We can see that starting at July 20, the traders started heavily short this stock, and here we can see that the price is decreasing, and of course the percent of shorts are heavily racing, and the current amount it's about 40%. And let's look at the chart more closely. As I see, we have here ABC move. It was the A wave, then we had a B wave. Actually B wave in my understanding it was a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and now there is the last move here, the last wave, it's C. Best I see, the last wave here is may consist from 5 waves. So let's check. Here it may be the first wave, then the second, then the largest in this construction is the third wave, and here from here I expect a little bounce. So I expect that from here we can see a short squeeze. As we previously saw, the amount of shorted position is about 40% of all the shares. So from here I think it's a good opportunity to have a bounce from this level. And if we will use the Fibonacci levels, so we can see that most probably a good level when in the nearest future we can see a bounce is about 35, 36. So in the future weeks we can see a rebound in Beyond Meat stocks, and maybe here it most probably we can see the fourth wave, but then after the rebound there is a high probability of more of deeper correction, and my final target is about 15 bucks per share. Except the short squeeze probability, let's look on RSI, the momentum indicator. We can see let's check the weekly chart. So now we can see that it's heavily oversold. So in terms of momentum also we can see a nice bounce in the future weeks. So if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe onto my channel, and see you in the next time.